Okay, so I want to show you how to speed up your workflow by automatically importing photos with adjustments. So if we go to, let's take a picture. We want to first create a preset that has the adjustments that we will always use during editing. So choose a picture. Go to the develop module. Let's reset it to its original raw form. All right, and make the adjustments that you pretty much always want. So let's say I want to bring down the highlights, bring up the shadows, add a bit of clarity, a little bit of vibrancy, some saturation. On the tone curve, I want to do medium contrast. And I think the most important thing, lens corrections, click both of these, turn on lens corrections. I like a little bit of vignetting, so I'm going to make a little vignette. Okay, there we go. So those are my basic settings. Now, what we need to do is go to the left, and we want to go to our presets. Alright, so in presets, click the plus button, create preset. Now we need to give it a name, so we'll call it basic adjustments. Okay, you can leave all these checked. Go down here, click create. Alright, so I'll reset it back. Alright, so this is the original. If I go back to my presets, scroll down, find our preset we just made, basic adjustments. Click that. Alright, and I just added those changes. So, for importing new photos, go back to library, go over to import, click import. Now the important thing is on the right side you will see apply during import. Alright, develop settings. Click the down menu, go all the way down, user presets. Here are all my presets. Find the one we just made called basic adjustments. There we go, basic adjustments. Now when you import photos, it's going to apply those basic adjustments to all the photos automatically when you import them. So, destination, I'm going to import into, let's say, oops. I'm going to import to F drive, pictures, and let's say snowy. Okay, so let me grab a photo to import. Let's say Scandinavia. Uncheck all. Let's take this picture here. Alright, so develop settings, base adjustments. Okay, make sure that is there. Then click import. To wait a few seconds because my computer is slow. Okay, there we go. So now we can see, if we go to the develop tab, we can see that those adjustments are already made. It's already got those clicked. You can see in the basic panel already made those same adjustments, so it saves me a lot of time, and from here I can just make the easy adjustments like exposure. I can boost that. If I want to bring the whites down, bring the blacks up a little bit. Okay, yeah, so that's how you do it.